Assalamualaikum and good day everybody. How are you? I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to move on to a new topic, that is Module 4, Celebrations. First of all, let's learn some vocabularies. Ordinal numbers. I will play an audio. Try to listen and follow.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 30th, 31st.
Next, vocabulary. These vocabularies you are going to learn throughout this topic. You can look at the textbook page 38. The first word is dressed up as. Costume, parade, scout, nurse, soldier, police officer, entrance. If you do not know what the meaning of these words, you need to look at the dictionary or you can simply Google. Next, let's listen to this poems and read. The title of this poem is Special Days. After you listen to the audio, you need to practice on your own.
Special days.
January. Mother's Day in the US is on the second Sunday of May. In Mexico it's on the 10th of May. A very special day.
Let's practice. What's the date today? It's 15th June 2021. Next, the second question. When's your birthday? It's on 12th October. It's on 12th October. When the date is in full, you must use the word on. Understand? You can practice on your own now. Next, let's listen and read. Please look at your textbook, page 38. I will play an audio and try to comprehend the passage.
1. What are the children going to dress up as? Listen and read. It's the 30th of August today. Tomorrow is Independence Day.
Do you want to come with us to the parade tomorrow?
Sure, Joe. What are you going to dress up as, Layla?
I'm going to be a nurse.
I'm going to be a soldier. What about you, Ahmad?
I don't know. Maybe a scout. I'm going to go to the shopping centre later to choose a costume.
We can help you choose a costume.
Great. See you at the entrance to the shopping centre at 6.
At the entrance to the shopping centre.
Where's Ahmad?
I can't see him. Let's ask that police officer to help us.
Can you help us, please?
We can't find our friend. Oh, there you are. Do you like my costume? Yeah, it's great.
Next, exercise. This is where I want you to write on a piece of paper. Write on a piece of paper today's day, Tuesday, and today's date, 15th of June 2021. First of all, as usual, you need to write the instruction. Read again and complete the sentences. Use be going to and the correct verbs. Please listen very carefully. The answers are provided in your textbook. Just look at your textbook, page 39. Look at the first example. The children are going to go to the parade. If you look at the instruction again, it asks you to use be going to. What is be? Do you still remember? There are 3 verbs to be. Am, is, and are. When there is only one person, you need to use is. When there are more than one, you need to use are. That is be. And then simply add going to and the verb provided. Example. The children are going to go to the parade. The one written in red here is be going to. And the one written in blue here is the verb provided. Let's try. Look at number 2. Layla, how many person? 1. So you use is or are. Is. Layla is going to dress up as a nurse. Do you understand? And now you can do the rest on a piece of paper. Next, you can check your answers here. These are the answers. Check your own work and you can tick. If you made mistakes, you need to do corrections. Next, let's look at your textbook, page 40. First of all, let's learn some of the vocabulary. Stay up, money, fireworks, decorate, barbecue, give, present, Independence Day. Make sure you understand the meaning of these words. If you don't, please make an effort to find the meaning in the dictionary. Next, listen and read. I will play an audio, try to listen to it, and then practice your reading on your own. Look at your textbook, page 40.
1. What do you know about celebrations in other countries? Listen and read. Social studies. Celebrations around the world.
Lin, China.
The Lunar New Year is in 2 months. We're going to decorate the house with beautiful paintings and red lanterns. On New Year's Eve, we're going to have a big family dinner. This year, I'm not going to go to bed early. I'm going to stay up to watch the fireworks on TV. On New Year's Day, My parents are going to give me money as a present. It is called an ang po.
Tom, US.
Tomorrow is the 4th of July, Independence Day. We are going to celebrate with all of the family. We're going to have a barbecue. My dad is going to cook burgers. In the evening, we are going to eat ice cream and we're going to watch the fireworks at the park. Independence Day is great.
Before we proceed with the exercise, let's learn some grammar, shall we? Okay, if you still remember the verb to be, there are 3 verbs to be. First, am. Second, is. The third one is are. Am, is, are. When are you going to use am? Am is only used for I. I am. I'm. Look at the example here. I'm not going to bed early. Next, is or isn't. Is only can be applied with these pronouns. He, she, or it. Look at the example. She isn't going to watch TV. Because there is only one person, that's why we use the word isn't. Next, when it comes to plural form, we use aren't. We aren't going to decorate the house. You aren't going to decorate the house. They aren't going to decorate the house. Let's pause this part and practice on your own. Next, exercise. Use the same piece of paper that you wrote just now. Write the instruction, read again and tick, underline, and then you copy all this. Tick the answers based on the passage that you read just now. Please refer to the textbook page 41. Later, I will share you the answer. Next exercise. Listen and circle. Copy all this. Underline the instruction. Write number 1. As usual, each of the question you need to skip one line. Please refer to the same page, page 41 of your textbook. Copy this and you have to circle the correct answer.
What are you going to do for the 4th of July, Jim?
We're going to have a barbecue at home this year.
Are you going to have burgers?
My mother doesn't like burgers, so we're going to have chicken. The chicken my dad makes is really good.
What are you going to do for the 4th of July, Jim?
We're going to have a barbecue at home this year.
Are you going to have burgers?
My mother doesn't like burgers, so we're going to have chicken. The chicken my dad makes is really good.
Is your mother going to make chocolate cake?
Not this year, but my grandmother is going to make carrot cake.
I love carrot cake.
Me too. And my grandmother makes the best carrot cake ever.
Is your mother going to make chocolate cake?
Not this year, but my grandmother is going to make carrot cake.
I love carrot cake.
Me too. And my grandmother makes the best carrot cake ever. What about you, Faye? What are you going to do for the 4th?
We're going to my uncle's.
Are you going to have a barbecue too?
No, but my aunt is going to cook. She's a great cook.
What about you, Faye? What are you going to do for the 4th?
We're going to my uncle's.
Are you going to have a barbecue too?
No, but my aunt is going to cook. She's a great cook.
Well, I'm sure you're going to have fun.
Yes, there are fireworks in the park near their house in the evening. We're going to watch them.
That's great.
Why don't you come to the park in the evening too? The park isn't far from your house.
My aunt and uncle are going to come in the evening, so we can't. Well, I'm sure you're going to have fun.
Yes, there are fireworks in the park near their house in the evening. We're going to watch them.
That's great.
Why don't you come to the park in the evening too? The park isn't far from your house.
My aunt and uncle are going to come in the evening, so we can't.
This is the answer for the activity that you did just now. Please check. If you got it wrong, you need to do corrections. This is the answer for the next activity. Let's read together. Jim's family isn't going to have burgers. Jim's mother isn't going to make a carrot cake. Faye's family aren't going to have a barbecue at her uncle's house. 4. Faye is going to watch the fireworks in the park. You need to do your reading practice now. Pause this minute to allow you to practice your reading. Next, before we leave our session for today, this is your homework. Look at this book. You need to complete exercise on page 31 and 32. The answers will be shared next week. That's all for today. Thank you.